Hi, hello, how are ya? Chef Kennedy here. On this episode, we are making Nutella Lava Cake. Not only am I serving up an easy chocolate cake recipe, you get a bonus vegan version of Nutella. Picture this, Sicily, 1962. You dive into a warm chocolate cake and a hazelnut river comes dripping out slowly from the center. You don't need Willy Wonka to make this dream a reality. Do you have the golden ticket? Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Okay, so we're going to start off by making homemade Nutella followed by chocolate lava cake. We're going to take a half cup of chopped hazelnuts and toast those for about 4 minutes at 350 until golden brown. Now we're going to take 1 cup of chocolate chips, a half cup of coconut oil, 1 cup of non-dairy milk, and a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and we're going to melt that over medium heat for about 10 minutes. Now take your hazelnuts and your chocolate mixture, add it to the blender with a pinch of sea salt and 2 tablespoons of hazelnut liqueur. Blend until your hazelnuts are fully broken down. Transfer to containers and allow to cool for at least 3 hours. While you're waiting, it's time for a dance party. Now we're going to grease our muffin tins with a neutral oil and lightly dust them with flour. Tap and rotate the muffin tin to coat the sides, and then you could tap out any excess flour. Add a half a cup of non-dairy milk with a half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Now for your dry mix, you're going to take 3/4 cups of sugar, a half cup of flour, a half a cup of cocoa powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of espresso and a 1/4 cup of neutral oil to your wet mix. Whisk the dry together, mix your wet together, and add it to the dry mix. Mix well until little to no lumps are left. Now we're going to chop a piece of dark chocolate into 1/4 inch squares. And you're going to take your batter and add about a 1/4 cup to each of the tins. Dust the center with cocoa powder to avoid the chocolate from sinking. Now that your Nutella is set, add about a half a teaspoon to each of the cakes. Place a piece of dark chocolate over the Nutella. Use your remaining batter to cover the chocolate. Bake for 15 minutes at 375. They should be firm yet moist. Now you're going to take a sheet tray covered with parchment, place it over the muffin tins, and flip it. Gently release it from the tin and serve. Okay, so here we have our Nutella Lava Cake, and I'm so excited to dive right in. Oh yeah, it is so rich and decadent. Ugh, luscious, what dreams are made of, really. Now, I do have to admit, this recipe was a bit harder than I had anticipated because the original recipe is so egg-based. It was hard to balance that, to get the crispier outer ring with that ooey gooey river of chocolate. But I think I accomplished something so delicious, moist, decadent, flowing with chocolate, and I hope you'll try and enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Chef Kennedy out.